Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can leave a messenger group on Messenger. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and logged into your account, and you will see your groups in your chats, and you have to do is scroll to the left and then see more option over here, or you can do is go to the chats and then click on the nameplates on the top, and you have to do is scroll all the way up, and you will see at the last option leave chats. So once you click on that, you will pop ups over here, or like you can see over here, set as a new admin, or like you can leave. You can simply click on leave and it's gonna be leaved that group, and that's it. That's how you can leave group chats in Messenger. If this is super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.